Bourbon Meat 3. There's a lot that we can say about it. First things first, bourbon. This month's flavor focus is barbecue, so what better way to celebrate barbecue than the classic Meat 3? Made our own maple bourbon barbecue sauce. There's a little bit of spice in that back end, but as it builds, the more you eat, the more it rolls. It's sweet, smoky, and of course, whiskey. Of course, I took my grandmother's meatloaf and I smoked it. So 2 hours at 225 degrees. No disrespect to my grandmother, but I'm all about the sides. We also have our greens using domestic garlic granules and white pepper. So we have Spiceology's harissa blend in a brown sugar, sweet and spicy sweet potato, say that 5 times fast, and the coconut corn with just a little bit of our classic ground black pepper. But these sides are actually classic Southern sides. But I took everything, took the experimentation of using Spiceology and flipped it on its head. Maple Bourbon Smoked Meatloaf Meat 3.